Look at my gray hair in the light. It looks like I have sparkles in my. Looks like I have tinsel in my hair. Well, put some baubles in my hair and call me a Christmas tree, baby. Oh, bitch! Don't lose your joint in your hair. It wasn't lit. It wasn't lit. Relax. Everybody relax. Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I don't know the word. Wait a minute. Was that lit? I feel like I'm lit. Anyways, I'm not. Well, I've already done all my weights. I gotta do the dishes now. I've already played with the princess, and I'm sitting here thinking, you know what? Say good morning to the good people. Show them your wild hair. And burp for them for a little bit. Seems you liked my recent burping cavalry. The fuck was that at the end? Sounded like a little hiccup attached to the burp. What was that? I'm telling you, it's burpin. I thought it was burpees, but no, it's burpin. Do you speak it? I'm fluent. I created it. God. I can't keep up with the permutations, okay? My mind doesn't work as fast as that. Process as fast as that part of the brain. You're welcome. You know what I realized in channeling? Mrs. Roper times Jennifer Beals in Flashdance. If you know, you know. Mrs. Roper times Jennifer Beals in Flashdance. Get it? Anyways, morning to you. Have a great fucking day. Don't forget to watch my fit check later. I feel like wearing something plaid.